First at 11, a redacted 40-page report from SLED sheds new light on the deadly April 26th officer-involved shooting on Ocean Boulevard in Myrtle Beach. But a number of questions remain. Thank you for joining us at 11. I'm Edward Moody.
And I'm Trish Williford. SLED released its report after a nearly 5-month investigation. That report found 18-year-old Jarius Davis fired a .40 caliber handgun near the Mr. Fry's shop on Ocean Boulevard 4 times. Myrtle Beach police officers were already there on another call and chased after Davis, who ran south down Ocean Boulevard. Officer Brandon O'Rourke fired his gun 5 times and hit Davis once in the back, who stumbled into another nearby business. The report notes other gunfire occurred. Investigators found 11 people in all suffered gun-related injuries.
But at this time, neither the city nor SLED can say if Officer O'Rourke struck any bystanders. Now, this video was released in May by the city of Myrtle Beach from a police vehicle dash camera. SLED investigators said they put together their report from 5 outside surveillance cameras and body cams from 36 Myrtle Beach police officers. News 13 has asked several times, including tonight, for the city to release more video. And tonight, News 13 is the first to hear from Officer Brandon O'Rourke's attorney. 2 juvenile victims and their families claim they were on Ocean Boulevard that night and were shot by O'Rourke.
News 13's Adriana Lawrence joins us in the studio. And Adriana, what did his attorney say about those claims?
Trish, Edward Billy Monkton said he's not sure if one of O'Rourke's bullets hit any bystanders, but added his client had no other choice than to try and stop Davis. Officer O'Rourke returned to field work a few weeks ago after 15th Circuit Solicitor Jimmy Richardson decided to decline prosecution, stating O'Rourke was justified in his use of deadly force. O'Rourke was put on administrative duty following the shooting, which is standard protocol. At least 2 victims and their families we've spoken to said they were caught in the crossfire and injured because of O'Rourke's bullets.
It's the worst position any police officer's got to be in. You know, you can't let them keep shooting. You've got to take immediate action. And if somebody was hit by his weapon, obviously, you know, he'd be extremely remorseful for that. But I haven't seen any evidence that has been given to us that he did.
In the 40-page report SLED sent to us, not one page details what and whose bullet hit the 11 bystanders. Civil rights activist John C. Barnett, who represents at least 2 juvenile victims, is concerned his clients have yet to receive closure.
They can have 40 pages, 80 pages, 120 pages. Just show me the page, just one, of these particular bullets. If that bullet had struck the ear of our president, Donald Trump, they surely would have found out who bullet it was, who gun it was, and, you know, who pulled the trigger.
We also asked Monkton about Myrtle Beach Police and SLED's lack of releasing body and surveillance footage from that night. He said Myrtle Beach could not release anything without SLED's approval.
You don't want to be releasing a bunch of videos, because then you basically could be contaminating witnesses, because they get to see things that they really didn't get to see. So I understand why SLED did it. I know that there was a uproar in the community about, hey, we want to see everything now, but sometimes it's not best to see everything now because it's not completely investigated, but it's all there now.
And we're still waiting to receive surveillance video and body camera footage from SLED or the police department. I also reached out to Jarius Davis's mom for comment, but haven't heard back yet. And we also reached out to Mayor Bethune and also Police Chief Prock for interviews today. Yeah, Mayor Brenda Bethune told us she hadn't read the report yet and wasn't available for an interview until tomorrow. A police spokesperson told us any investigation-related questions should be directed over to SLED.
Adriana, thank you. Edward?